Hi, my name is Talia.
And I'm Julia, and we're both from the UK. I mean, originally Polish, but we came here from the United Kingdom.
It's my third time.
And my second time.
Oh, Paula Sorrentino.
Yeah, definitely. I also can't wait to see kinds of kindness and The Apprentice. Also looking forward to seeing how they portray Donald Trump.
I really want to see Demi Moore.
Yeah, it's really an indispensable one. Like, you just have to.
I'm gonna be basic. I love Meryl Streep.
Oh, come on, yeah. Sorry, like, that's unbeatable.
Hi everybody, I'm Antonella Salvucci, an Italian actress, such the substance with Demi Moore, Dennis Quaid. It's gonna be a drama thriller. I did also many thrillers, so they said this is gonna be very, very interesting and very scary at the same time, very courageous. So I'm really interested to see this movie. This is a fashion designer from Italy. It's a brand from Italy, from Milan actually, and I'm so happy to be their brand ambassador.
We just like horror movies, and it's a female director, so we're interested. Jacob Elordi?
We love Jacob Elordi.
Although he wasn't here.
He wasn't here.
Kristen Stewart is big at Cannes. She's not here this year, but she's done other ones, so I like her. Which ones have we already watched? Yeah. None.
We just got here.
We just got here and it's hard to get tickets. We're here for a while, so hopefully we get lucky one of these days.
I want to watch this movie, The Substance, which is a Coralie Farja movie. It's a new director, a French director who does bold cinema and horror cinema, and I want to watch it because it sounds interesting, and there's a lot of great actors around it, and I would be glad to be to the premiere.
You're watching Film Awards TV.